Florida homeowners, if you are with Citizens, then this video is for you. I'm here with Liz with Sebanda Insurance, and a lot of people are getting notifications right now, right, that they're probably getting non-renewals. And this is affecting a lot of those people that are being told that they need to get flood insurance even though they never had flood insurance before.
Correct, Albert. As of January 1st, 2026, Citizens guidelines have completely changed. If your home has a dwelling coverage of $400,000 or more, you are required to carry a flood policy insurance regardless of the flood zone that you are in.
So is that going to stay like that?
Yes, that is going to remain. By January 1st, 2027, it's going to expand to the remaining policies with Citizens, making all of Citizens customers having to obtain a flood insurance policy regardless of the flood zone you're in.
You know, that's interesting because I think a lot of people are getting these notices and they're probably asking, how can this go away? Did my community all of a sudden become like a flood zone? But it actually has nothing to do with that, right, Liz?
Nothing at all. It's a standard guideline from Citizens, and this is Citizens only. A lot of homeowners assume that because they're not in a flood zone, that this is not going to apply to them. If you have a Citizens policy, this will apply if your dwelling coverage exceeds the $400,000. So if you receive the notices, don't ignore them and take action with enough time. That way you have time to shop around or review your current policy's replacement cost and see if there's anything that, that can be done.
All right, so I get all that, Liz, and that's very helpful. But like in practicality, if somebody just got a letter from Citizens about this, what should be the first steps?
Shop around. That is the first step. You have time. Citizens usually sends these letters out with enough time. So shop around, see what other markets are offering you. You might find a better coverage for a cheaper premium.
Yeah, that's like we did.
Exactly. And then won't require the flood.
And this is why it matters beyond insurance, at least from my perspective as a real estate agent. You know, we get to help many people, yes, buy a home or sell a home, but a lot of times even just staying in the home. Insurance is such a big part of their affordability. All right, so the takeaway for homeowners probably should be not to panic and not to assume that there's only one option and that you very likely can provide some other options, right?
Exactly. Every policy is different. Every scenario is different. If you want a second opinion on your homeowner's policy or you just want to know your options, type in the word flood below and we can help you out.